Hello, my beautiful friends. Guess what just came in the mail? My spiritual goodies box. So, I'm going to take my lunch break to go through it because I'm excited. And I've had a long morning. I'm taking my lunch at 2:30, so it's the first day of classes. So, always great to see faculty and students back on campus. It's the lifeblood of what I do. But first day, legit, no joke. So, let me take a minute to get some zen in here and open my exciting box. So I just opened it with a scissors, so I'm cracking it open with you. I knew it was coming, though, because my friend Nab got hers. The affirmation card, which, I love these. These go in my journal. I confidently and fearlessly believe in myself. And that goes with today's runestone reading, if you watch that video. It's all about being a leader even when you don't feel like being one. And then there is a card that tells us that this box is about the solar plexus chakra, which is probably the chakra I know the least about. So I am excited about this box because I can learn some more. All right, so there's a book, and as you know, I don't read the book until we're done. Ooh, lots of cool stuff in here. So this is what the box looks like when you open it, after you pull all the papers out. All right, what do we have? We have a shoot for the moon even if you miss. Hey, warrior. Oh, it's a ring. That is cool. I am going to open this ring. So this is the ring in the package. I'm going to open it. A lot of times rings don't fit me. First of all, I have short little hands. Second of all, as a piper, it's probably the thinnest thing on me. But still, I have big hands. All right, so this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get it up there. I don't know if I'm holding it up right. Oh, it says keep going. I don't know if you can see that. Does not fit on this. I didn't mean to give you the bird. It doesn't fit on this one. So if I wore it, it would have to go on my pinky. It does fit, I guess, nicely. I don't wear a lot of rings because I play the pipes, but there you have it. That's a cute little ring. And I like the little card that it came on. So that's the little card it came on. See what's next. Oh, spiritual AF. 99 inspirational cards for people who effing need some inspiration. I feel like my friend Randy Boone would like this because he's always saying AF. I'm going to check those out. I like little cards and stuff like that, so that seems fun. All right. What is this? Yellow American Sand Creativity. I don't know. I guess it's as good as mine. What's in here? Oh, it's sand. I have no idea what you do with it. It's literally a thing of sand. Does it smell good? It smells good. It's sand. That's cool. I have no idea what I'm going to use the sand for. But perhaps there's something else in here that tells me what the sand is for. There's some water. Didn't come in the box. Like Evian, because they are carbon neutral. Oh, what else is in here? Oh, there's a little top to something. I don't know what that's for. Oh, little incense cones. I think I know what's going to be in this box. I'm hoping. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. Hair Revive Elixir. Sunstone. Well, ladies and gents, if you know me, some of you have known me a long time, this hair is different every day, but it has also been the same for 30 years. I can't get it open, so I don't know what it is. Huh. It's seaweed and jasmine, that I know. You put it in your hair, I guess. And then in this little bottle, I don't know what this is. What is in here? Oh. Yin Yang Sun Spirit Aroma Oil. Ooh, it smells good. That smells pretty good. All right, and then we have, oh, the thing I thought was going to be in here was not in here. I thought there was going to be like a cauldron or something to burn the incense, and that was what the sand was for. That's what I was thinking was going to happen, but this is definitely not a cauldron. This is a giant crystal. What kind of crystal is it, BRG? You're wondering? Ooh, I don't know, but it's cool. It's a cool looking crystal is what it is. It's cold. Somebody told me that's how you can tell if crystals are real, if they're cold. So, it's definitely cold. So that was the monthly box, and it's pretty groovy. I mean, I don't know what the sand is for. Let us find out what the sand is for. You know that I'm a huge fan of their little booklet that they put out. So you have a ring, the elixir for damaged hair. Well, I'm the poster girl for that. We'll see if it works. Spiritual deck, yellow citron sand, high vibrational sand that carries the same energy as the bigger stone from which it came. Use it to dress candles, add to jewelry like pendants and rings, add to your paintings, resin art, or any other creative project. Or incorporate into your crystal grid, sprinkle inside your plants or garden, add to your mojo bag or intention jar. Oh. You will randomly receive one of the following. Yellow aventurine represents self-reflection, citrine, sun spirit oil, tiger's eye, or citrine point. Thinking that's a citrine point. Incense cones. Then they have a meditation. And, yeah. So, I don't know. It's pretty cool. I like the box. I don't think my friend Nav liked hers as much, but not because she didn't like the things in it, but just that she wouldn't use the things in it. I'll definitely, I'll use the oil. I'm going to keep this. This is definitely citrine and not tiger's eye, so I will keep this out here with me. I will check out this hair elixir stuff. Not much of a beauty products person, clearly. I like the box of, I do like stuff like this, so that's like probably my favorite thing. I do like incense cones. Smell them. See what they smell like. Oh no, I can't get the bag open. I seriously cannot get this bag open. There we go. Oh, they smell pretty good. That smells good. The ring is cute. I probably will re-gift that to a niece who wears rings. But overall, I like the box. I think it's a great box this month. Thank you again, Spiritual Goodies, for my uplifting lunchtime little witchy haul. I love it. Thank you. Wishing all of you all the best in light and love. Go do something fun and amazing today. Bye-bye.